Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. And here in this general list we have to scroll and find wallpaper and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, and here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So simply find your the wallpaper you'd like to apply and tap on it. You can choose from the classic options, which are static ones, and the live options, which are animated. So let me choose something from the classic options, and after tapping on the specific wallpaper, it will be applied to the full screen. So let's tap on apply to if you are sure that you want to set this wallpaper, and now you can choose where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it and simply tap on apply in the right upper corner. Here you can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so it will create a composition. So let me quickly show you how to do it. Simply tap on OK, enter wallpaper colors, and here you can choose some kind of presets or choose the custom one. So you can simply choose the specific colors you want to use. As you can see, just by using those dots, you can change the color which you want to use and confirm it with OK, and it will be immediately applied. Now we can go back to the home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.